How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply improve print quality on Bambu Lab 3D printer. Now, you could do some modifications on the printer itself, but mainly you want to change some settings on the studio. Now, from here, the first thing that I recommend is changing the ironing type into top surfaces. You could also do the outer or inner wall first. Basically, the outer wall will first print itself, avoiding the inner wall expansion. Right after, for strength, you could also try editing the top surface pattern if you want to, but generally it doesn't have much effect. Now, mainly we navigate through the support, and you could try to enable the support. Click on the tree automatic, click on tree slim, and basically what this does is that it increases the top Z distance to roughly 0.28 millimeters to make them pop off easily with minimal scarring. Now, you could also try using the variable layer height. It uses the finer layers for curved surfaces where the steps are the most visible, and thicker layers for vertical walls, providing a best of both worlds finish. So if you have applied this following options or settings, you will get a smoother or better print for your Bambu Lab Studio or printer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.